I don't know. I'm feeling really sad. So I was just in bed the entire 2 days, not doing anything, very, very unproductive. During these days when I'm feeling down, I just want to talk to her. Yeah, come on, I'll give you a quick tour of this unit. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. So as you guys can see, I am back here in the province house. I was back about 2 days ago, so I slept here in the house for 2 nights. And actually today, I am leaving the house again. Yes, that's right. I'm actually packing right now. And my trip, so I've already booked my trip domestic here in the Philippines, and this is going to be the start of my solo travel. Let's see if I would be able to do it, and that's when we try to do international, hopefully. But yeah, I'm going to share with you guys where am I gonna be heading. I asked you guys in Instagram, if you guys follow me there, it's at meljeansolon. If you guys want to see daily stories of my whereabouts, you guys could follow me on Instagram. But a lot of you have suggested different places, different regions, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and I was like really so confused on where should I go. But yeah, this place that I'm going to is going to be my first time to go there, and I have been wanting to go there because this place is actually very special. I think you guys would love it as well because it's a different side of the Philippines that is not really, I'm not sure. I'm not gonna drop hints for now, but yeah, anyway, I'm packing right now and we're gonna go to the city first. I'm gonna be staying in the city for 3-4 nights, so yeah, 5 days. And yeah, I booked a condo so that I wouldn't be driving going back and forth to the city and here in the countryside because I still have to process some things. Go and yeah, go to the city. Hey guys, so I'm already driving now to the city. I was actually contemplating earlier on whether should I bring the car, drive to the city, or just ask mom to drive me to the city, because when I leave in the next few days, I don't want to like drive the car back to the countryside and I will have to go back to the city, you know, because no one will be able to drive the car back home. And then I realized, why not? Maybe I'm gonna leave the car. I'm gonna leave Ruby with Vingo. Hopefully she would agree. And hopefully there is an available spot for Ruby to park for a few days only, you know, because I'll be coming back since it's fiesta in the countryside. Just got Ruby because, you know, I need to drive around the city to take care of a few things. As what I've mentioned, I need to buy a few things as well because my clothes are still not complete, my OOTDs. Spend my days locked in a haze, trying to forget you, babe. I fall back down. You gotta stay high all my life to forget I'm missing you. Ooh. Hey guys, so I'm finally here in my Airbnb for the next couple of days. I'm actually staying here in IT Park. I'm not gonna say yet what's the name of the tower. I'll share it to you once I check out Anyway, so yeah, I've checked in already. Time check right now, it's 3 p.m. Supposed to be check-in will be at 2 p.m. I arrived before 2. I checked in the lower ground floor. They don't have parking here, guys. So I was having a hard time where I could park Ruby. So yeah, that was the problem. I was going around IT Park where I could park and as if they do have overnight parking. So good thing I was able to find one, and yeah, it's quite far. Well, not really far, it's about 3 to 5 minutes walk, which is fine. All right, anyway, so yeah, I'm finally here. The girl that was, maybe she's a caretaker of this unit, she was actually here when I was checking in and she was still cleaning, so I gave her time. She said to come back after an hour, so I just ate in Chowking. Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of how this unit looks like. It's actually good. I mean, it is a studio unit. It's small, but I love how also spacious it is. You know what I mean? Like, it's good for a couple, it's good for one person, and like how they design it, it just is making the space more spacious, if that makes sense. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, come on, I'll give you a quick tour of this unit. Alright guys, so we're gonna start the tour right here. This is the door, and on to the left side, you guys will be able to see the toilet and bathroom. So this is how it looks like. Mirror over there. Is there a bidet? Ay, tada! There is a bidet. Good job. And then we have hot and cold shower. And they put that one. I'm not sure what is that for. Maybe just so it looks aesthetic. But this is how the toilet and bathroom looks like. It is small, but it is very clean and smells good. So that's alright. And now, this is studio unit, guys. So as soon as you enter, you could basically see everything. Now, first things first, on to the right. Wow. You guys will be able to see this really big mirror. Actually, it's two being attached together. And I love this idea because it's giving an illusion of the unit being spacious. I don't know, like, mirror is actually a very good idea if you guys have small space. It can really widen your space. All right. So yeah, I love this. I love that one. Okay, so this area is where you can see the toilet. So they do have here washer and dryer, so that's good. They also provided this one. That's alright. And then we have cupboards right there. We have this one. So we have induction, so I could basically cook. And then that, we have cups, cutleries, and let's see what's in here. Some spoon. And then let's see what's here. Okay, so this is a good idea. I want something like this in the house. But yeah, that's good, right? You can just pull it and you can get whatever you want. So that's good. We have rice cooker, everything. It actually looks spacious. Look at that. Like, that's good. They don't put like a lot of tables, like big tables. They didn't put big tables and chairs here, so that's good. All right, we have full-on refrigerator. That's right. Inverter. That's good. We have here a microwave. They provided free water as well. And then this is the table. So this is good for two. So that's why we have two chairs and another mirror right here, guys. Hello. Wow. Look at that. I love it. Okay, so we have a lot of cupboards. So love the lighting right there. You guys can really appreciate it on camera, but it looks really good in person. And that's how the kitchen dining looks like. It looks spacious. I just love the, you know, arrangement of this unit. It's really pretty good. Now this is where you sleep. So they put this divider. Brilliant idea. Love that it's not totally like a wall, so that if you turn on your air condition, it could go through the entire space. Right? That's good. All right, we have cupboard there, so you can have storage. Another mirror. Look at that, guys. So that's good. You can sleep here, two people. I think this is queen size bed or double bed. I'm not quite sure. But we have here cabinets. Let's see what's inside. So we have that tissue. We have blower. That's good. And then this is your office. Ta-da, Wi-Fi is there. And my luggage is here, by the way, guys. Then love the shelves right there and stuff like that. And this is my favorite part. Ta-da! Oh, you know what? I've been wanting to get something like this, like in the house, because you could just chill. I mean, look! It's really cool. Alright, they provided some soap, shampoo, and tissue, 3 towels, that's good. And the Wi-Fi is actually fast, so I love it.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know.
Hello everyone, I just ordered my dinner for tonight. I am having Japanese for tonight, guys, because I'm craving for one. So I ordered in Watami in Ayala. It's one of my favorite Japanese restaurants here in Cebu. So let's see what I got. First up, it's Bill fudge. Second, this is cucumber lemonade. It actually spilled fudge. Alright, next is, we do have here, that's why the paper bag is wet, because it's spilled. That's right. Okay, so my dinner is miso soup, because I wanna slurp. I just wanna drink something hot. Oh, it's spilling everywhere. Hold on, I'm gonna get a tissue, guys. Okay. My lunch wasn't as enjoyable earlier, so I'm splurging for my dinner, guys. I don't know why, but whenever my period is coming, or if it's almost done, or if it's there, I'm just craving for something expensive. So this is an expensive dinner tonight. So I have here sushi, or California roll, sarang, and miso soup. I don't think this is actually gonna be good still. Let's try. Oh, that's good. Yum. Spilling everywhere. Watch. Wait. California roll, one of my favorite. I actually don't like mayonnaise, so I always wipe it. And guys, first bite. Bon appetit. That is so big. Okay, well, let's have a chit chat, guys, while I have my dinner alone. For the last few days, after sinulog, I was actually not feeling so well. It's not that I'm sick, I'm just like, I don't know, I'm feeling really sad. So I was just in bed the entire 2 days, not doing anything, very, very unproductive, and watching movies, Netflix, YouTube videos. I was just not feeling it. It's so crazy. So I don't know why, but I feel the need to leave the province house. I feel like I actually got bored there, to be honest. There's nothing to do there anymore. So I cannot make videos if I'm gonna be staying there, right? At the same time, it's so peaceful and quiet, and I do know sometimes I needed that as well. But at the same time, I just need some kind of different vibe and different environment for me to be productive, for me to work and do some moves, because I feel like when I'm in the countryside, I'm just not gonna do anything. It's a different kind of vibe. It's good if you are like very productive for the entire month and then you just want to have a break for a week, then it's good to stay in the countryside. Otherwise, it can really get bored. So I badly need to leave the house. So that's why, if you guys can tell in the previous videos, I have just been staying here in the city, and I know some of you guys were wondering about it, and that's exactly the reason. Okay, so I hope that's clear. And yeah, I'm just being honest with you guys. I know the province house is my house, it's my home, but yeah, sometimes I just need to, you know, go somewhere and get a different kind of vibe, because I'm just not feeling it in the countryside. So, that was good. So I'll be staying here in this unit in the next 5 days, and then after that I will be flying out, which I'm very, very excited about and looking forward into as well, because that's gonna be my first ever solo travel. Hopefully I'll be able to do it. I'm not so hopefully everything will go well. I'm just really praying for that. A part of me is very excited, but at the same time nervous because of my own safety and security. I had to look for a hotel that has a good security because of my own security. Do I make sense? I don't know. I feel like I'm just babbling. But I'm just venting out and sharing this with you guys. It's our night chit chat while I'm having my dinner, okay? I love California roll. It's so good. Tomorrow, we're gonna process my visa. I'm gonna check if we already have passport appointment for mom, and I don't know what else to do. We'll see. Maybe swim. Hey guys, so I just had a 2-3 hour conversation with Leia from Vietnam, if you guys can remember her. I missed her a lot, and during these days when I'm feeling down, I just want to talk to her. We played some music, we talk a lot about life in general, and yeah. Anyway, I just finished with my dinner 3 hours ago, and right now I think it's already 11 or 10 p.m. I was thinking of going out to go to 7-Eleven to grab some snacks because I don't think I'd be able to sleep tonight. I actually am not able to sleep alone. Like all my life, I always have like someone to sleep with me, not really like beside me, but at least on the same house, like in the same like area. Oh yeah, I don't know what to do tonight. Let's see. I actually need to overcome this, because when I go to the next place, when I'm gonna be traveling alone, so I need to make sure that I'd be able to sleep, you know, because we are gonna be doing a lot of activities. I'm actually very excited. The air condition is freaking, what is this doing? It's so loud. But yeah, anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I know there was not a lot of happening in this vlog, but I just want to be real and raw with you guys, what I have been feeling for the last 2 days. Just feeling down, you know. I have those moments, but hopefully by tomorrow I'd feel a bit better. I do have a lot of things to do, like laundry, going somewhere, do my rev light and stuff like that. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's not so enjoyable, but I hope you did still, and I hope you guys could relate, especially to all the ladies out there. I know we always have these moments every month, right? But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.